Did you know the sound of your knuckles cracking can predict arthritis 20 years before symptoms appear? Scientists discovered that healthy joint pops measure exactly 30 to 40 decibels with a sharp, clean crack, but damaged cartilage creates a duller thud at 50 to 60 decibels. The difference comes from nitrogen bubbles in your synovial fluid collapsing differently based on cartilage condition. People who can crack joints repeatedly have looser ligaments, creating faster bubble reformation. Those who cannot have tighter joint capsules that need time to rebuild gas pressure. The shocking part? Habitual crackers show cartilage wear patterns 3 times faster than normal. Your joints are literally telling you their future.